This is a copper rod. After being processed, it will become a work of art. Let's see it together. First, cut off about 5 mm of plating. Mark the bottom with a marker. Draw a marker line every 20 degrees. Draw a total of 18 lines. Next, adjust the fixed window of the machine. Fix the copper rod just marked, and start the process. The tip of the copper rod is cut into a support point. Then processing according to the marked line in turn. 落过. The copper rod becomes an S shape. Then I finish the surface with a rasp. Take out the copper and replace the fixing window. Then fix the copper on the lathe. Start processing again. The bottom of it is trimmed. Wrench it off with hands. Tie it off at the bottom. Then it is finished. Can you guess what it's for? I can use it as a billiard stand.